We started a few years back trying to learn more about our people because you can always make assumptions about what makes people happy. What we did is we started with trying to find out real data, and we started surveying our staff.
Can we do everything that they ask for? No. We're open about that. But we can try and we strive to do as much as we possibly can.
Some of the things that we've heard in the surveys helped us adjust what our structure looks like. Some of the things helped us look at what some of the projects that we should be working on.
We also have things for our team members to get together and decompress and stress. Knitting is one of them. Bring in nutritional counselors and massage therapists regularly for our staff to utilize. But what goes a long way is recognition. And recognition not just from the top down, but at the peer-to-peer level. It means a lot to hear from your peers, hey, thanks, or hey, you've done a great job.
One day I just completely crashed. It was just like, here, call this person, make an appointment, make sure you talk about how you're feeling. And I never realized until recently that was just paid for by the company without any I never knew. It's been a year now, and I never knew it.
Not only from a work perspective, but from like a mental health perspective and a belonging perspective. I don't feel like I'm just kind of out there by myself.
It's a validation that we're on the right track and doing the right things to make this a healthy, happy, enjoyable workplace.
We asked the people that work here, all of us, what their thoughts were, and all of us gave back honest feedback. And then the management team was brave enough to look in the mirror and make some strong choices and make some strong decisions to make those things happen.